Did you hydrate today, bitch? I don't think so. Go ahead and quench. Hi cuties, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Ken and I love to talk about skincare, beauty, fashion, and just anything to do with my life, I guess. Skincare is expensive. It has something to do with beauty and image, and it is going to be an industry that is very well capitalized on. And as I navigated it, I began to realize my pockets can't handle it. And so, of course, where there's a need, there's innovation. Why every time I make a video, the birds have something to say? In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I've come to save money purchasing skincare over the years. It is not easy. It is something that does require some effort. But if you're into skincare and you love skincare, I hope that my tips and tricks help you out in discovering ways to save more money. So, of course, the first things first is to shop sales. I'm not going to lie. I'm a bit of a frugal spender. I typically don't really purchase anything unless it's on sale, especially when it comes to skincare. It's going to eventually go on sale. That's just the truth of the matter. And so I tend to wait for, Memorial Day, 4th of July. We got Labor Day sales. We have Black Friday. We have Christmas. We have Thanksgiving. There are typical sales that you can expect to happen every year. My next thing, of course, is TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, and etc. Those are wonderful stores to go and find some new skincare items. I do not suggest going in there looking for something specific. It's kind of what you come up on is what you come up on, and you're grateful for it. When I was living in New York, I had so much success shopping in these types of stores. I found $50 items for $6. And so it was just a very wonderful time for me. Honestly, I was even able to stock up on some items that I tried and enjoyed just because I guess they were replenishing at the time. But TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington, forgot her. I'll be honest, sometimes it's full of a lot of BS, but more often than not, you can definitely find some really great quality items at an affordable price and a great discount as well. After that, I'm going to recommend the Allure Beauty Box. This is the only subscription box anyone has convinced me to sign up for and participate in. It is just really good. I have to say the curators of the box do a great job every month. They do their best to always include some form of luxury item in the box, and they're typically full-sized, so you can easily get $125, $150 priced item for $30, and that's not even including the value of the whole box. The box is typically anywhere from $200 to $350 a month in item value. And it's been really, really nice. I've been able to try some luxury items I would never have been able to try. I've been able to explore certain ingredients and products and brands that I, again, would never be able to try because they are expensive. But all I do is cough up about $30 every month. That includes the cost and the shipping and the taxes, about $30 every month. And I get me a nice little box with items that I have fun with. My next recommendation is Costco Next. Now, this is wonderful for my K-beauty girls, my girls who are really into Asian skincare and Asian brands. I love that website. They have Makeup on there. They have Kiehl's on there. They have CosRX. They have some other Asian beauty brands on there, as well as hair care. Just saying. And it essentially is Costco for skincare. They sell these items in bulk. So I think maybe about a year ago, I really love Makeup raw sauce. I'm absolutely obsessed with Makeup raw sauce. And typically a bottle is $49 retail. On Costco Next, I think it was 2 to 3 bottles for $36. $36. Girl, be for real. Come on, that's a steal. Unfortunately, it does require you have a Costco membership, but I know a friend of a friend who will give you that Costco membership ID so that you can get your stuff. because community is important. Don't be stingy. We have my OG goat of the goatiest goats of the goatiest goats. We have Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale. I this not even half the haul. I'm just showing y'all some things. That I just happened to pick up. Just a few items. It wasn't anything crazy. I got it for 50% off. Don't judge me. But I absolutely love Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. You get to afford products that you could never afford before. Full price $50. It's $25. Do you see how big this bottle of sunscreen is? For $25 by Shiseido? Do you know what type of brand that is? Like, oh my God. Honestly, if I could ever get an Ulta sponsorship, that would be fabulous. I'm speaking it into existence. And then outside of the sale, you need to make sure you make an account because Ulta has like a rewards point system, and those points stack up fast, okay? And then you can turn around and use the money that you got from the points that you spent the day before to get the next day at a cheaper price. It is a wonderful system to get me to continue being a consumer. And I just want to say, Ulta, you did that one. Now, also Sephora has, I guess, sort of a 21 Days of Beauty type of sale. I've never really shopped from it, but I know they also do simultaneously when Ulta's doing their 21 Days of Beauty, they tend to also be doing 50% off of some products. So I definitely recommend checking Sephora out circa that time. If you follow me on Instagram, I do my best to let you guys know when that sale is coming up. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, why not? Why not? But I digress. Moving forward, I really also recommend Asian beauty websites. All them Asian beauty items that you're buying off of Amazon, it's on them Asian beauty websites for a lot cheaper. Make sure you check them out. I recommend, funny enough, not an Asian beauty website, iHerb.com. They also have a pretty good point system, and they be having the deals and the steals, and they be having a lot of beauty products on there, and they have good quality beauty products. Really love the Prescript Skin Vitamin C brightening or lightening serum. Them dark marks cleared if you use that. I just want to let you know right now. After that, I like stylevana.com. They're really good. And then yesstyle.com. My only concern with these websites, or the major drawbacks with Stylevana and YesStyle specifically, is the shipping can take some time. So if you're ordering on there, be prepared to wait 2 to 3 weeks for your items. We live in a society of immediacy, so I get it. But those websites have a sale typically. They are typically way cheaper than Amazon and Walmart and etc. So I recommend checking those out. Now we're gonna get into, I suppose, our more risque ways to afford skincare. And one of those is eBay. eBay is just, it's a landmine. Oh no, I don't want things to explode. It's a gold mine of everything, but specifically skincare. A lot of people have their small businesses. Somehow they amass all this skincare and they sell it to you at a wonderfully discounted price. If you ever feel sketched out about an item you're trying to purchase, one, make sure the seller you're purchasing from is reputable. Look at their reviews, look at their feedback, see if they are a trusted seller. And two, if they are a trusted seller, more often than not, they're really willing to give you lot numbers or like SKU numbers, etc., so that you can go and search up this specific item and see when did it expire, or if it's still in good standing, if it was possibly something that was recalled, because products get recalled all the time. If the batch was okay, and then you can go forth and purchase it. I recommend using like checkcosmetics.org or other websites that go through and check the lot numbers of different beauty and skincare items, just to make sure that you're getting a good product. But I personally have never had a problem with receiving a bad batch of a product or anything like that. And then on top of that, you can oftentimes find things that have been taken off the market or out of production that are still great. They can be possibly a little more pricey, but they're cheaper than typically wherever else you can get them. So I love eBay for that. And my last recommendation, which is really me, I'm dropping a serious gem here. It's still risky, but it's a serious gem. Reddit. I love Reddit. It's just a place where you find community where you want to. You know what I'm saying? And one of those communities is skincare. Skincare is a very big community on Reddit. You can go on there. Girl, if you're trying to figure out what to work for your skin, go on Reddit, type in that product, type in that skin concern. I promise you somebody has a lengthy post on everything that they've tried, products they recommend, etc. But outside of that, they of course have people who are selling their skincare items. And you can tend to find these on the exchange pages. I will not say these subreddits directly because I really want to respect the community and, you know, the rapport that they have developed amongst themselves. On these subreddits, we have people who have amassed beauty items that want to sell them. Some of them are brand new. Some of them, these people have tried once or twice and decided it wasn't for them, and they're just trying to sell it or get it into somebody's hands who actually finds them useful. And again, I recognize it is a riskier thing. It is something that is a bit more sketch. But if you're a skincare enthusiast, like, be enthused, baby. That's all I'm saying. That's me. And so, of course, as I said before, it's a risky thing. It is not going through, you know, eBay or Amazon where they make sure the item is delivered and then the money is exchanged. No, you are genuinely giving your money to another person on Reddit in hopes that they ship the items that they promised you out. That's really all it is. So of course, as I said, it's a bit more sketchy. One of the ways to, you know, validate whoever you're purchasing from is a lot of them have history. A lot of them have done sales before. People leave comments. People say yes, no, maybe so. And then on top of that, a lot of the moderators of these subreddits go through and actively try to find people who are scamming or who are lying or who are being dishonest about this whole exchange thing. These people are very protective of their community, and they do their best to make sure that people enjoy exchanging skincare. I've purchased off of there several times. I've gotten some really luxury items for, oh my God, the cheaps. Oh my, so affordable. And I have no regrets. It's been a rewarding experience for me, and so that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. But overall, those are the ways over the years that I have come to save money on skincare. Some of them are more affordable than others. Some of them are a bit more trusted than others. Some of them feel a bit more safe than others. But where there's a want, there's a need. Where there's a need, there's innovation. And so these are the innovative ways that I've come up with or that I've explored in order to be able to get my hands on the skincare that I want. I have amassed a lot, I've tried a lot, and I have not broken the bank for it. I want to say maybe average, on year to year, on average, I spend at most $500 on skincare, which I know $500 is a lot, but $500 for 12 calendar months, 365 days, 366 for 2024, I'm doing good. I don't think I'm doing that bad. And on the years where I don't have $500, I still get a lot of skincare. I'll be honest, you know, everybody spends their money somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please excuse my voice. I know I sound a little nasally. There is a change in the air around me going on, and it's just messing with my sinuses a bit. Thank you so much again for watching. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please make sure to share, because why wouldn't you want to help your friend save $1? But thank you for joining me. I hope to see you guys on the next video. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at RealizeKenn. That's where I keep you guys updated, more so on my fashion than on my skincare, but I'm working on it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Your mama want you about 5, 6 2.